Hey guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. I know you all have been waiting for the Christmas decor video. The last week was a pretty busy week with a wedding and I couldn't complete the decor as per plan. So I thought of giving you this Christmas decor video a little before Christmas since it would be too late if I have to wait to release it on Sunday. I'm so sorry guys for making you wait. I usually shoot on Sundays since I'm working, but in order to get this video done, I decided to take a days off. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start with the living room and then slowly work towards the other rooms. You know what guys, I had ordered a couple of decor from Wish for the very first time, but unfortunately it has not yet been delivered. And I do not even know if it's gonna get delivered because it's past the delivery date now. Anyways, we are gonna continue decorating. So usually I used to hang this garland for the wall lamp above, but today I thought of adding a garland to the showcase with a few ornaments. Well, last Saturday was our church feast and I had my relatives over, my cousins over. I had a lot of helping hands to help me decorate the house. I had my cousins who were helping me pass the ornaments, were helping me give ideas to the way to decorate. I had my dad giving a helping hand, so it was really fun to decorate. Next, I changed the curtains. So these golden cream set of curtains are the ones that we use very occasionally during any festival, any occasion. They're quite heavy and I really like them because they give that royal look. Well, moving on to my bedroom, not that I've finished decorating the living room, but I was very excited since I've received my new mattress and I so wanted to decorate it. So I put on the new sheets, not new actually, but new wash sheets, and I had my dad help me. I added the throw pillows, the Christmas throw pillows actually, and it was so much fun. Now the most exciting part about this bed is to get this canopy up. So I bought this white cloth material, I think it's chiffon if I'm not mistaken, and I got it stitched on the sides, and I put this thing on the top of my bed, just to finish that final look. Okay guys, so yesterday we partly decorated the living room and my bedroom. I had to stop later because first thing was I was running out of daylight, and secondly, since it was the feast at my place, so me and my cousins wanted to go to the fair, so I had to stop then. So I'm going to continue today, and we are going to continue decorating the living room and the guest bedroom and my parents' bedroom. So let's see how it goes. Let's go. Well, as I have mentioned earlier, I always like doing my parents' bed. I somehow do not like the way they do their bed, and now I thought of adding this new pillow that I bought off Amazon, which says Mary, and I thought that the red would really pop out on the blue. So here it is. Next, I changed the bedsheet of the guest bedroom. I had my relatives over for a night and it was time to get the bedding changed. I also added these two new throw pillows that I bought off Amazon, which have beautiful Christmas wishes on them. I know the lighting is bad guys since I have already lost the daylight. Moving on to the living room back again, I also bought these nice red and white velvety throw pillow covers that scream Christmas aloud for the living room, and they look absolutely nice and bright and amazing. Okay, last year I made this decor out of used liquor bottles. It's a very simple decor that all of you can do. It's basically taking your old liquor bottles and you could just wash them out, get rid of all the labels and stuff, and then you can stick on it maybe some tape or different shapes, and then you could put some glitter on it by just adding a few drops of Fevicol. And once that's dried, you can get rid of all the tapes, and there you go. You will have your beautiful liquor bottles. Just add some fairy lights to it, and that's it. It will look amazing at night. Okay, so now in this potted vase, I thought of putting my bridesmaid hand bouquet because it had this Christmas theme. And I think it looks absolutely amazing over here in the center of the living room. I shifted the potted money plant to my room, and yeah, that's it. And here's my teddy bear. He absolutely loves sitting in this new chair that we bought recently. We do not even have to put him up there. He just wants to go there, sit, and watch everything that we do. Okay, so I had this decoupage Christmas plate that I added just above the aquarium. It has the Christmas greeting on it with a cute little Santa, and I think it's the perfect spot because it's just near the entrance. So as soon as you enter the main door, you can see it straight, and it wishes everyone entering our home Merry Christmas. And next I decided to add these silver gold tinsels to my canopy bed, and I think it looks quite Christmassy. I also added this cute little Santa that was gifted by my mom, I think when I was about 10 years old. It was my Christmas gift by my secret Santa, who is none other than my own mother. Okay, up goes the stockings. I felt this was the perfect spot for hanging these stockings. I got rid of the ornaments that were hanging on the garland there and put up this stockings, which I think really look good. So finally I got rid of this dining table cloth and added this beautiful Christmassy tablecloth to my dining table that screams Christmas, and it goes well with the red background. It reminds me of the Christmas family dinners and lunch, and I think it looks super cute and amazing. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Wishing you all a very happy Christmas. Hope this Christmas brings love, joy and happiness to your families. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, stay safe and take care.